I'll tell you one thing, it's harder to freaking make YouTube videos than it is to fly an airplane. Just for the record. Each pilot's different, and I tell you what, if you want to open up a lively conversation with a pilot, ask them about their favorite headset or flight bag, and you'll be sure to get all kinds of opinions. Over the course of time, a pilot's needs, desires, missions, and preferences change. And as a result of that, the equipment we bring along with us changes. When I began my primary flight training as a student pilot, I was given this bag by a great friend of mine. It's made by Flight Gear, and it's got lots of zippers and pouches and lots of features and capacity that make it great for a student pilot, and I highly recommend it. However, over the course of time, again, our needs change and our preferences change, and I've used a variety of different types of flight bags over the course of my flying career. As of late, I have opted to use this flight bag here because of its size and characteristics. It's also made by Flight Gear, and it was given to me as a gift from Lone Mountain Aircraft. In this video, I'd like to show you what I put in my flight bag, and I'd like to know what goes in your flight bag. I appreciate you guys watching the channel. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to reading the comments below. Here are the contents of my flight bag. Several face masks, LED headlamp with red and white light, spare keys for other aircraft, over-the-counter pain reliever, eyeglass cleaning kit, antibacterial hand sanitizer, eyeglass case, fuel sump and screwdriver, spare ink pens, Night Eyes S Beaner for the aircraft keys, jet aircraft keys, retractable lanyard with airport credentials, LED flashlight with white and red lights, Yaesu Aviation portable radio, cables for onboard entertainment system of aircraft, aircraft documentation and other information. Miscellaneous items including first aid kit, hand wipes, Flight Gear knee board with notepad, three 6 sacks with Ziploc bags, that's my flight bag. What's in yours? Without a doubt, each pilot has their own requirements, and their flight bags will differ. Let me know what you put in your flight bag. I appreciate you guys watching the channel. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to reading the comments below. I'm not sure if you're aware, but there are a variety of volunteer pilot organizations that need your help and need your help now. Go to www.aircarealliance.org. That's www.aircarealliance.org and find a volunteer pilot organization near you. Donating your time, aircraft, and resources to help other people is very rewarding, and I think you'll enjoy it. It all starts by going to www.aircarealliance.org and find a volunteer pilot organization near you. This particular photo here was taken after an Angel Flight Soars flight where we transported a medical patient from Columbus, Ohio to Eastern Tennessee to reunite her with her family. What's an important part of the story is that she had passed away on the operating table a week before. And to think that we were able to get her home to visit her family was very rewarding. Without a doubt, each pilot has their own requirements and their flight bags will differ. Let me know what you put in your flight bag. I appreciate you guys watching the channel. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to reading the comments below.